key of living yourself free with joy and freedom is to integrate everything with yourself, which is infinity. Celebrating everything equally, helping you to transcend living in duality, which is caught up with the idea of good or bad, great or puny, right or wrong, and so on. When we caught up with dual ideas, we create different unserving stories based on the judgment, based on the duality, and define yourself and living in the story. We knew we don't want that. We knew it's enough already. We can learn to see things from eyes of unconditional love, which is understanding that all the shapes and forms are equally helping you to be aware of more of true self, which is infinite expansion of joy and freedom, love and light, so that you are becoming more of creator of beauty, magnificence, rather than reacting to the things and stuff, creating with energy of separation. So we can acknowledge more and more that everything is energy that comes from love and wisdom, that is nature of source that you are. Everything is appeared to serve you. Everything is appeared to pointing out for you to realize source, magnificence, nature, perfection, love, and wisdom. Everything's are pointing out to helping you to realize your greatness. Whenever you judge something negatively, you can realize that it is totally misunderstanding, misperception. You don't need to believe the ideas that society taught you. Instead, you can acknowledge the energy that arises as negative emotion. You can use it for your further exploration of greatness, true perspective of love and wisdom, because everything is appeared for you to realize your true nature. Of course, nothing has certain static, inherent meaning. Everything is energy, comes from unique universe, and appeared as expression of unique universe. Therefore, you can perceive as unique universe. So let us liberate ourselves more and more and tune in to the true tune of yourself, that is joy, freedom, celebration, knowing that everything is appeared for your love, for your support of living yourself, express your authentic self, knowing that nothing defines you, nothing binds you, nothing limits you. Everything is actually liberate you, helping you to realization of your true nature, infinite, expanding, creative energy, pure positive energy,